Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to transfer your tickets or mobile tickets on the TickPick, so this video is for you. So here you can see the steps. First, you have to know that how you can receive your tickets. So first step is open your email you use to purchase the mobile tickets. You should see an email from the team or the venue's ticketing platform notifying you that your tickets has been sent. Now step 2 is within this transfer email, you should find a section labeled accept tickets for a similar option that allows you to accept the transfer offer from the person who sent you the tickets. Next step 3 is click on the accept tickets button. This will direct you to the next page where you will be prompted to log into your account. Next step 4 is log into your account or register for one if you don't already have an account with the same email address you used to purchase the tickets. So once you have an account with the teams or venues ticketing platform, you can view your tickets within your account. From this point on, you can transfer those tickets to another person via the mobile delivery platform. So for that, you can do is after you have accepted the ticket transfer, simply log into the account to which the ticket were sent, either on your phone or on a computer. Click on the transfer tickets option where you will enter the first and last name of the person as well as their email address. So make sure that the last name and first name and last name is matched with their email addresses, first name and last name. So you have to ask for their first name and last name, then you have to enter their email address. When you can find this transfer tickets window or the tab that pop up on your screen here, then you can add a note, then simply click on transfer the amount of ticket you can find here. Then simply click on that button and it will actually deliver to that person. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.